Are you stuck in your job? Do you feel like your career is not moving forward? Do you wake up and feel bored with the same work every day? Are you worried about layoffs? And somewhere in your mind, are you thinking, what if AI takes my job next? You are not alone. A lot of people feel this right now. The world of work is changing fast, faster than most people expected. A few years ago, if you learned one skill, it lasted for many years. Today, tools change every few months. New software comes, new automation comes, and now AI is here. So people feel scared. They think, if AI can do work faster, where do I fit in? But here is the truth: AI is not taking jobs, AI is changing jobs. Let me explain simply. When computers first came, people said typing jobs would disappear. They did. But new jobs came: software, design, digital marketing, data work. The people who learned the new tools moved ahead. The people who ignored it struggled. The same thing is happening again. AI is very good at repeating tasks: writing basic emails, sorting data, answering common questions, doing things that follow a pattern. But AI still needs direction. It needs someone to tell it what to do. It needs someone who understands the problem. It needs someone who can use it correctly. That person can be you. Right now, there are two types of people. The first type is afraid of AI. They avoid it, they complain about it, they hope things go back to normal. The second type is curious. They ask, how can I use this? They learn small things first, and slowly they become more valuable. Guess which group grows faster? Let's make this practical. Imagine you work in marketing. Earlier, writing 10 posts took one full day. Now AI helps you do it in 1 hour. Does that mean you lose your job? No. It means you can now plan better campaigns, test more ideas, and grow faster. If you work in operations, AI can help you automate reports. If you work in sales, AI can help you research clients faster. If you are a student, AI can help you learn skills faster than ever before. AI is like a power tool. A power tool does not replace the worker, it makes the worker stronger. The real danger is not AI, the real danger is staying the same while the world changes. And this is where many people get stuck. They think learning AI means becoming a scientist, learning complex math, writing difficult code. That is not true anymore. Today, learning Python and AI is easier than ever. You don't need to become an engineer. You just need to understand how things work, how to give instructions, how to connect tools, how to solve real problems. And this is where AI agents come in. An AI agent is simply a system that can take a goal and complete steps on its own. For example, you tell it, find leads, send emails, and update my sheet. The agent can do all of this automatically. Think about that. Instead of doing repetitive work every day, you build systems that work for you. This is why companies are now looking for people who understand AI tools. Not because AI replaces humans, but because humans who use AI become 10 times more productive. And when you become more productive, you become harder to replace. So instead of asking, will AI take my job? Ask a better question. How can AI help me grow faster in my career? The people who ask this question today will be ahead tomorrow. You don't need to quit your job. You don't need to take big risks. Start small. Learn one skill. Build one small automation. Understand one AI workflow. Confidence comes from action, not from waiting. And here's the good news: you don't have to figure this out alone. By the way, we are running a master class where we teach Python and AI agents in a simple, practical way. You will understand how AI works, how to use it in real work, and how to build systems that save time and increase your value. If you want to stop fearing AI and start using it, this is a good place to begin.